crafters, this is 20tube. Today we are going to see an easy, amazing Mother's Day card to surprise your mother. Come on, let's get started with the tutorial. Things you need: chart paper, color paper, pencil, ruler, scissor, die cutouts, pen, glue, some circles of different size and colors, stones of different colors, ribbon, row circle, eraser. Size of the chart is 30 into 18 cm and fold it into half. Add the circles in the front side of the chart with the help of a glue. After sticking, it will look like this. I am adding Happy Mother's Day sentiment on the front side of the card with the help of a glue. Stick it firmly. The size of the card is 12 into 4 cm and you totally need 3 cards. Stick inside the card. Stick it with the help of a glue. After sticking 3 cards, it will look like this. I am just adding the color paper on the right side with a sentiment and a border. I am also adding this heart card to fill the space which are empty. I am also adding some die cutout hearts. Also sticking stone with the help of a glue. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Keep crafting.